Alright guys, welcome back to DNS Family Lifestyle Vlog. Today I am gonna make some oven jerk chicken, put it that way, because I'm not gonna go outside and make start up the barbecue or anything like that because it's pretty cold out here. So I'm just gonna do it today in the oven. I got a few requests that I should make this video, and they just want me to go step by step and show them what I use to actually season the chicken when I'm making the jerk chicken. So if you want to come a little bit closer here, let me kind of show them. So over here we have the chicken here that we cut up and wash, you know, with some vinegars and everything already. We had that pre-prepared, just regular washing the chicken, cut it up and wash it. That's basically what we did here. So then we get our natural season here ready, where we have the scallion, we have the thyme, and we have, of course, the Scotch bonnet pepper here, and we have some garlic, and we have some onion here, and then we're gonna have a little bit of the dry rub season here that we're gonna put on it in the blender also and get everything puree. So we have the Maggi all-purpose, and we have a little bit of black pepper, and then we have the Grace jerk sauce here. This is the mild one, this is not spicy, and we're just gonna blend in everything together with the natural season that I have here, and then we're gonna just put it over the chicken and mix it up and make it sit for a little bit before we actually put it in the oven, because you want all that season to soak into the chicken before we actually put it into the oven. So I will check in back with you guys when I'm getting the season and everything prepared in the blender to get it ready. Okay? Alright, check in back. Alright, so now as I show you guys previous that we have the natural season, we go ahead and put them in the blender and blend them up, because we don't want the blender with the knives and whatever in the video. So we go ahead and we blend them up. So it's there. So what we're gonna do now, we have our chicken here, as we said from previous, that we washed it and cut it up and actually get it ready. So what we're gonna do before we put on the natural seasoning that we blend up here, we're gonna go ahead and do a quick dry rub. Dry rub means that we're gonna use a dry season and mix up in the chicken, and then we're gonna go ahead and use a natural season that we blend up. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, as I said to you guys, this is the Maggi all-purpose. I just have a little bit left in this bottle here. I'm just gonna pour it on here. So I just put it over it just like that. Right, so that's done. And then here, and this is the brand that we use, the Cool Runnings all-purpose seasoning. So therefore we're gonna have to just put a little bit of little touch on it. We have the black pepper here, and we have over here the chicken seasoning also. So we're just gonna put a little bit over it and go ahead and do the dry rub on it, and see what it look like afterward, that you guys could have an idea what we're doing. Because as I said, you know, this thing that I'm doing here, this jerk chicken here, it does take a little bit of time too to get. Just gonna put just a little bit of black pepper over. As you notice, I haven't put no salt or anything on the jerk chicken, because all of the natural seasoning and everything and the dry rub that I'm putting in already having salt in there already, so we don't want to add more salt to make it salty. So just enough to give you that flavor. That's basically what we're doing. So on just a little bit here, and then what am I gonna do? I already washed my hands, but I'm just gonna dig in there and blend everything together with my hands. Stir it up. if you want to come closer there with the camera and let them see what it look like here with the dry rub, right? So this is basically the dry rub that I'm trying to get into every creases and corner of it, right? Okay. And then what I'm gonna do here, let that sit here for a little bit, and then I'm gonna just wash my hands, and then I'm gonna get the natural season onto the here. So this is something that one of my co-worker, and big shout out to Steven, that actually request this video. So okay, so I'm gonna go ahead now and put in the natural seasoning on it. I think I don't really need all of this, but just gonna save back some in there, and I'm gonna go ahead again, and I'm just gonna mix it in. Man, this smells so good. Everybody probably wondering, you know, like what it's gonna taste like when it's done. But trust me, when I finish with it, you will see the end result, what it's gonna look like, and taste. I know it's gonna taste good. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna let this sit for about an hour or two for all that natural herbs and spices and what we put in there, marinate into it and sit there for 2 hours, and we'll go from there. So yeah, we're checking back with you guys later on when we gonna put them in the oven to get them going. Okay guys? All right, check in back. All right, so I get a tray and I wrapped it with tin foil, right? Then I go ahead and then I actually put the chicken all over it, right? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna end up, and we actually have our oven here preheated at 350 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and put the chicken in the oven, and as we go, we're gonna monitor it and see how it's coming on, and I will give you guys an update as we go on it. All right, so checking back with you guys later on when we finish. So I'm just gonna put this into the oven right now, right there, then let it sit there for a bit, and then we should be okay. All right, checking back to you guys later. All right, guys. Checking back on the jerk chicken here in the oven. I just want to give you guys a sneak peek of what it look like right now. It's not completed finished, but we're just gonna show you guys what it look like, how it's going on. You guys wanna take a look at it here. That's basically what it look like right now. It's not finished as yet. Still have a bit more to go. But just to let you guys know that it's coming on pretty good, you know, and this is the oven style. All right guys, so we're gonna put it back in there and let it do its thing, and when it's finished, then I will actually show you guys what it look like when the finished product. As you know, there's another pot here on the stove. We're gonna make some rice and peas. Well, wishing you guys probably see in the previous video that we make how to make the rice and peas. So you can go back and watch the previous video, and then you guys can see how we make the rice and peas. So that's what we're gonna have with the jerk chicken tonight for our dinner. It's rice and peas with some vegetable and jerk chicken. That's our dinner for today. But I will show you guys when we're processing the rest of the stuff and let you guys see. Okay, stay tuned. All right. As I was telling you guys previously that I'm gonna show you guys the end result of the jerk chicken when it's finished. So yeah, this is your oven jerk chicken here that I just made, as I was showing you guys along the way how we do it, right? So as you can see, this is the end result. It's ready to eat. Don't mind the peppers in there. This is for like decoration purpose. Why? But it's these are the peppers that we use when we're marinating it. But yep, this is the end result there. So as I said again, if you guys would like to know more or see how we make these the Jamaican dish, just like and subscribe and comment to the video, and leave a comment in the comment section, and we will definitely get back to you guys, and you just put in your requests and we will continue to make these contents making Jamaican food. And trust me guys, it's gonna be epic this year because it's gonna be so much dish and creative things we're gonna be doing in the kitchen. So you know, just stay tuned and just come along the journey with us, and then we would let you guys see how we create it. You know, we have more video coming up where we're gonna be baking, we're gonna be fishing, we're gonna be traveling vlog, everything we're gonna be doing for you guys this year. So stay tuned and like, comment and share and subscribe.